Today I have a fun project involving my succulents. Every year in the fall I take leaf cuttings from my succulents and I put them in a terracotta pot and I allow them to grow roots and new plants. But in the winter, around Christmas time, I'm trying to decide what do I do with all of these baby succulents. And this year I just don't want to have a flat of succulents sitting around. I want to make something interesting, a place for them to grow that can be beautiful during the Christmas season. So I'm going to make an open terrarium with a Christmas theme that involves my baby succulents. Succulents are desert plants that store moisture in the leaves. And if you get a clean break on the leaf right at the base where it connects to the plant, and if you leave it out in the open air, over time it will grow a callus and it will grow a little root, and then it will grow a little tiny plant on the end of that leaf. And as it does that, it will use up the moisture in the leaf, and eventually the leaf will shrivel up and fall off, but the new plant will take off and grow as it thrives in the soil. A terrarium is much more complex than a flower pot. Because there are no drainage holes, you have to actually build a little ecosystem inside of your glass container. Terrariums are often called gardening under glass, and that's exactly what we're dealing with in terms of this glass terrarium. Now I'm choosing to use an open terrarium. There is no lid, and I'm doing that because succulents require a very dry environment. Putting a lid on the terrarium will cause the moisture to stay within the terrarium, and the environment will be way too wet for my succulents to thrive. Now, all terrariums have the same base. They have a gravel that's in the bottom of the glass, and the gravel has a purpose. The purpose is to collect water. So you want the gravel to be covered with a screen so that there is space available at the bottom of the terrarium, so that if you get too much water in it, the water can go there and it can sit without interfering with the growth of the plants. Now on top of that gravel, you're going to want a screen or a coffee filter or some landscape fabric. You're going to want something to provide a layer over the gravel so that the soil doesn't sift down into the gravel and take up that space where you want the water to reservoir. And on top of that screen, you're going to use activated charcoal. Now some people say mix the charcoal with the soil, but that's not a good idea because the purpose of the charcoal is to filter the water, to take out the impurities, and to help control fungus. And it does that best in a layer where it can filter the water. If you mix it in the soil, there's not a layer to filter through. So on top of the gravel, on top of the screen, you want about a 1/4 inch layer of activated charcoal. And you're going to want to have rinsed that charcoal well because it's going to be dry and powdery, and you don't want that powder messing up the glass of your terrarium. Now for my succulents, the next layer is going to be soil. And the soil layer has 1 part potting mix that has been sifted. It's potting mix, not potting soil, because the mix is sterile and the soil is not. And I don't want to introduce bacteria and fungi to my terrarium. So I'm using a sterile mix of soil, and it's going to be half and half with perlite. And perlite is a porous rock that will help that soil to be very well draining so that the roots of my succulents don't wind up sitting in a puddle of water. And then to cover the soil, I have 3 different colors of sand. I have white sand, red sand, and black sand, and I'm going to use these to cover the soil and to make a little Christmas theme going on top of my terrarium. I have a variety of baby succulents that I'm going to be using in my terrarium. I also have 2 dwarf snake plants that I'm going to be using on each side of the terrarium, and this one actually has little red styrofoam balls on the tips of the leaves, and I'll be decorating the other one with these little styrofoam balls. They're just sitting on the tips of the leaves just to make them look a little bit more Christmassy. A succulent nursery in a terrarium with a Christmas theme. What could be more fun than that? I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time on The Handcrafted Garden.